everyone, Aishwarya, Matthew, Susanna and I, despite our varied backgrounds, wanted to do something for the local ecosystem here in our home state, Kerala. So when trying to decide upon which local ecosystem to work on, we came across this very poorly maintained park in the Panapalli location of Kochi.
The primary intervention is to conduct an eco-reclamation, then a model waste management system with composting. A participatory biodiversity mapping could be also done to communicate the benefits of such spaces. We could also virtually connect such urban commons so as to create an eco-tree.
Here we are trying to improve the relationship between the park and its stakeholders so that they can derive maximum benefits from its service potential. What we want to do is change the way the park is seen and used, and this can be replicated and customized and applied to other parks as well.